We don't recognize that law. The very first report. Come on now. We don't recognize that law. It doesn't exist.
No, because they put them out in the rain. No, they don't understand because they put them out in the daggone rain. On the sidewalk in Congress. And that's one of the things that we need to say. That is not his courtroom. That is the people's courtroom.
Going on.
We're asking people to
call them up
to call and demand that the court be open pursuant to the U.S. Constitution and the North Carolina Constitution, Article 1, Section 18. The courts are required to be open. And if they're not allowing witnesses in or the public to come in and view this proceeding, then it's a secret and a lawful proceeding.
Chief Justice these grammatical rules of Latin, but they do not use the hyphen as joinder. So therefore, what happens when they use the all capital letters, nom de guerre, word mark, or whatnot, it absolutely says nothing. So it removes liability from these people.
That's exactly right.
And then it is based upon your own tacit consent that you comply. Okay? So it says that, yeah, but you can't just say that. They bound you in contract law.
That's right.
Okay? This is an old Babylonian system, and this has been going on for thousands of years. This is Babel.
You notice your driver's license or any of your identity, your social security card all has capitalized letters.
Yeah, but they can't.
Yeah, you just passed.
It's like here. Yeah, I'm going to
That's
explain.
a signed contract.
Yeah, I'm going to explain it based off this gentleman's shirt.
We got
right
them on
here,
that side too, sir.
The way that this is written, you see multiple languages here. It looks like English to the common man, but it's called dog Latin. Okay? So Levi Strauss and Company. That's the signage. And then it reverts down to almost like, let's see here, original, let's see, quality clothing. Okay, and patented maintenance. I got to find someone better because you got to have multiple uses in here. I'd say. No, because you're utilizing the all capital letters. When they mix up between the all capital letters language and then they go to proper English, or then they even put their signature upon a form, even though it looks like English to us, the untrained masses. What happens is there's no one-to-one correspondence. There cannot be, because the grammatical rules say that there cannot be, because they're using a foreign language. We've all been deceived, okay? So what happens is you use all capital letters and it goes to proper English.
Correct.
It can't say anything. So just like our governor's order stated all that stuff, he's used 3 languages. Proper English, he's used American Sign Language, and then he's used cursive writing. Those are 3 languages. There can't be any correspondence between them. Sorry, I've been looking at this stuff for so long, man.
So what's the correlation to what's going on here?
The correlation is we want to see that even his judge's oath of office is even constructed correctly, and that he has jurisdiction to hear the case. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, try to go.
There you go.
Nope. All right, for you.
They all leave our stuff, obviously.
I said I use my device as assistive technology, so I need them in daily life to be a functional member of society. So I'm demanding equal access to the courts.
Right. Did you get whatever the judge approved for you to bring in?
Whatever the judge is saying is contrary to the Constitution and the Americans with Disabilities Act.
Did you get
It's a simple yes or no question.
I'm telling you, I want equal access to the courts, so either you're going to let me in or you're not going to let me in.
Well, what I'm saying is, we can assist you with what you need.
But that's not what the ADA
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to him.
Okay, right. But I'm not required to accept whatever you're offering as assistance.
Okay, well, if you refuse
According
to
to
go
federal-
in,
according to federal law.
go in without your devices, then that's
No,
on you.
I want to go in. I want equal access. If you're saying I cannot go in,
attorney,
You
that's
talk to
why
your
he's
attorney.
here.
That's why
no.
he's here.
That's why
Are you
Attorney
stopping me?
right there.
No, he's here to help me with
We
criminal
have
matters.
nothing else to say. There's your attorney.
Okay, so are you going to allow me access to the courts?
They're clearly not going to let you in with your stuff on.
All right, so you're not going to allow me access to the courts right now. I have a court date. I'm here acting in good faith to do the business of the court.
We're
Can I
going
get
to
your
allow
name?
you in without your devices.
Okay,
If he had a
what's your name?
prosthetic leg, would he have to leave it out here?
Hold on, guys. What's your name?
Who you asking?
You.
I'm Sergeant Doom.
Doom? Okay.
Doom.
And the other-
D-O-O-M.
Doom. All right.
Mike, I'm
Yeah.
gonna go into the courtroom.
Okay.
Because it's 9:05.
All right.
See what's going on in there.
All right, cool. I'm still trying to get access.
Sir, at this point, they can talk to you. We're not responding to anything they say unless you're out here.
Okay.
All right.
You're not going to
So you're physically not letting me in. All right. So we got Doom. What's the other name? Doom. Okay. I get everybody's name now. What's your name? Gibbs. Okay.
Gibbs.
Gibbs. Doom. Okay. For the other officer's name? Long. Okay. Yeah.
One more.
We're gonna get a piece of paper.
Yeah, I gotta go back. Cell phones, anything like that?
No medals, no nothing.
Keys, that's it, everything.
So we have Doom.
bring out the Constitution.
Doom, Gibbs, Long, and who else?
More.
More?
He's
Yeah.
blind.
Yeah.
Come on, Darren.
I'm talking to you.
All right. So you're not going to
He's the
respond.
one that's
How y'all gonna
asking.
disrespect this veteran?
All right. So you guys are clear that you are trampling on the Constitution and disability rights, meaning your qualified immunity is gone. This judge is not going to protect you. He's going to
That's how
throw.
you want to construe it.
He's going to throw you under the bus.
Okay.
Like you guys are violating the Constitution, both the state and federal, and the state and federal.
Anything on?
So I'm here to do the business of the court, and you are preventing me access.
All right. We're not going to block this door. That's what we're not going to do.
All right, you want us around the
No,
left?
I don't. I want you back out that way if you're not coming to the courtroom.
Who are you?
If you're not coming, I'm Captain Bullens. We're not going.
Not blocking the door.
Captain Bullens.
Bullens. All right.
Yeah, but we're not going to block this door.
Not blocking the door.
All right. That's all I'm asking. Thank you very much.
You show your officer not blocking the door. He's trying to get in and go to court.
And he knows the procedures of getting in and coming for.
Yeah,
He knows the law too, and now y'all
That is
don't.
not the law.
W,
is not
W long right in front of you.
he can use.
Just showed up.
to be self-sufficient, not for y'all asking for help for y'all.
This is a small town. Y'all need to think about what y'all doing. Think about it really good.
Y'all already got a bad rep.
We got a lot of people watching. Give you this back.
Yes, sir. Got it?
They doing that. Hey,
Well, this is just sheriffs and stuff. I mean, phone and stuff out here. I'll let that happen. The sheriff's out here. Try to grab me on court. Secret court. Find out.
where's the law for that statute?
There is none.
I know, they got it up there illegally, there's no law for that.
We're supposed to look it up. They're not enforcing a law. They're enforcing the whim of a criminal that's wearing a judge's robe.
Yes.
Yes.
It's already been charged for,
That's how a lot of the system unfortunately
letting
works.
somebody go with a bribe.
They are co-criminal conspirators to deprive constitutional rights.
Yeah.
We have
Forget it,
Gibbs,
what we the people.
Long, we say Moore, and then Doom.
You're used to the order follower situation in prior service. What do you have anything to speak on?
Yeah, I mean, I used to be an order follower. I did horrible things because I followed orders in the military. I tortured people, I terrorized people, I killed people. Like them preventing access to the courts isn't to that level, but are they going to use violence? You know, if the judge says, okay, throw him to the ground, put him in handcuffs, kidnap him, they probably will.
Yep. That's what they're there for.
Because they're not using their moral conscience. They're not thinking as a human being. They're thinking as an order follower. Like, well, if I don't follow orders, I'll lose my job.
Goons.
And so they're not actually using their moral conscience. They're not actually following their oath.
You're gonna lose your immunity.
That's what happens sometimes,
Yeah.
unfortunately.
Lose your immunity.
Y'all all looking about $30,000 a piece. We're not. All of you blocking the entire front of us.
Blue license.
Some eviction paperwork.
So the
Wow.
this judge is also doing eviction.
Doing your time of price.
Yeah. Wow.
No.
That's pathetic. The so the criminal quote unquote judge is Chris Freeman, and there's a motion
There's a pillar right here. We're standing right in front of a pillar.
I said, maybe I can't be like blocking the door.
No, he said he was blocking.
There's a motion for this judge to recuse on his desk, and he has yet to move on it. He's yet to rule on it. And well, so before he can do anything else, whether he wants to order me, kidnapped again, he procedurally is supposed to handle the recusal that's before him. And we'll find out if he's actually going to do that, or if he's going to, again, not follow his own rules.
I hope that asshole judge ain't kidding me, but my last name is Freeman.
You can call the Attorney General's office or the Governor's office. You can call the jail and demand that they give me equal access, like not take away my, my hat, glasses,
Your devices?
my cane, my devices. They're probably going to take the electronics, but at minimum, if they're going to hold me in a cell, like
Yeah, you need your hat and glasses.
some kind of protection from the lights.
Yeah, you have to have protection for the lights.
Yeah.
Keep your clothes on.
Yeah. Well, they're most likely going to put me in a jumpsuit if they do, and their clothing, and the slave clothing I don't wear.
Yeah, the slave clothing.
So, but you guys can call in and demand. What's that?
No, they don't know their oaths, and the main one walked in, I guess he was a coward.
Okay, here's your oath. I do solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, foreign and domestic. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I take this obligation freely without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. And that I will well and faithfully discharge the duties of the office on which I have about to enter. So help me God.
That's your oath.
Your oath, the very first thing you swore to defend was the Constitution. So what is your excuse now?
Nazi following orders.
The Constitution says he has equal rights to this facility with his assistive devices, whether the judge says so or not. That is the supreme law of the land. Y'all have messed up severely. You could lose your house. He could lose his house. The little boy y'all brought out could lose his house.
Because we hold those to that oath, and by y'all not holding that oath, not standing up for the Constitution. So y'all just spit in all my forefathers' faces.
Hey, they got to eat, They
can get
There's no
them
excuse
welfare,
if they can go work at another place.
Oh, okay. Well, then they got to eat and kind of get hero worship.
Now, I don't get that. They ain't my heroes.
Well,
you are. You're the one who fought for us.
They get. I'm definitely not a hero, but they get hero worship from all kinds of people locally.
Yeah, I can't stand that stuff. You see on the signs?
I don't know if it's the pay and keeping food in their belly, or if it's the hero worship that keeps the word follower.
I bet you with the benefits and all, they are literally making about $100,000.
If I meet a veteran on the street,
$100,000 a year. Steal from you.
like the job.
if I meet a veteran on the street homeless, he's more my hero than these
He thinks it's your duty, and that supersedes your actually liking what you're doing.
Hopefully your lawyer will come out with some good news.
I never liked
but
it.
Yeah, I hope so.
I doubt it.
I doubt it, though.
Because it's already been proven that the judge is a tyrant.
Right.
If I'm mistaken, isn't this the judge is related to one of the people who was snatching your signs?
I don't know. We haven't proven that yet.
Okay.
Well, I did hear on one of the videos that they was messing with so-and-so's boy. That's the judge's nephew.
Yeah, something like that.
Yes.
But I don't know if it's this judge.
Wow.
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys.
I'll take that.
That ain't pepperoni this time.
I don't know who it was. It didn't even pop up.
Oh, yeah,
It's just
yeah.
private number.
Probably an auditor.
You guys saw me try to get entrance, right?
425.
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys see me actually try to open the door, and they
Yes.
physically.
I got that on
Yeah, I
video.
got that.
We all got that.
So
They ain't got the oath breakers.
I'm not choosing to stay out of the court. I still want and intend to go to my court and do the business of the court. These individuals here are preventing me equal access.
Here comes.
These assholes.
Yeah, here comes your judge.
Mike.
Yeah.
So, can we step over here and have a chat?
Yeah.
All right.
There's a Nazi following behind them.
It's
Sheriff's coming along.
Yeah.
You had it back there.
See how this goes. At least they're getting legal. Sounds like.
You're really gonna do it, aren't you? You guys are really gonna do it, aren't you?
Go up there. What did you got right?
He could be one of those veterans. This is probably a flat foot.
They will be a riot.
I serve too. Right there's a lot of people out here that probably serve.
I'm gonna get on my knees and pray.
What's the first thing in your...
Oh, they bring out more tires.
I'm gonna just get on my knees and pray for this.
Everybody out here. They must be 16. There's a lot of people out there now. Every single one of you, including you, sitting way back here trying to hide.
Here's another one over here.
I heard you talking about the Constitution. The thing I find interesting is that a lot of people don't know there was a Constitution in Germany right before Nazi rise to power. Yeah, Nazi rise to power.
They're about to arrest me for not complying to the
guarantee rights.
Alright.
10 years later, they're killing you.
You actually trying to get educated.
Hey guys.
Fucking asshole, ain't you?
For what? Okay. Deputies are preventing me from appearing. So I'm still here intending to appear before the court. So I've been denied access. I'm here to do the business of the court, acting in good faith. So if you want to arrest me because I'm at court, then that's on you. But I'm here to do the business of the court. I'm here to go to court.
Okay.
We want to know if going in naked is an option. Can he go in naked as an option?
What's the Nazis?
Can he go in his
Breaking the oath and breaking the Constitution. The first oath they took is to protect our Constitution.
one of the biggest lawsuits y'all getting ready to have, guys?
All these people
Are you stripping him of all of it? But that's okay for carry? Like an old-fashioned blind man?
Wow. What if he was in a wheelchair?
Shame!
Shame on the Nazis! This is the Nazis! Shame on the Nazis!
Shame!
This is Nazis!
Shame!
Shame on y'all!
Honoring KKK right there.
Oh, wait. You're not supposed to have video devices inside. If it's a law, y'all can't do it either.
Every one of you lost your
You
immunity.
see the judge naked, like a man. Naked like a...
People could call in and ask about if they're going to take away this assistive devices, because last time he was tortured in a cell in the Rockingham County Jail.
Well, last time they threw them out in the street.
Yeah, well, exactly afterwards. But the nurse was saying that they don't need to take away his sunglasses or other things that also bring on debilitating migraines. And so hopefully we can get a call in.
Do you know the number?
I have it. I'm gonna, as soon as I end this, I can give it to everybody.
This is for the jail?
This is for the jail, yes.
Yeah, because I got my phone out
Detention
ready.
facility for Rockingham County.
Actually, legally, for a failure to appear, even though he was outside, what they were supposed to do is actually take him straight to the judge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not take him to jail. They're supposed to take him
That's why I asked
straight to
the
the
bail.
judge.
That's why I asked if they did that, but they didn't.
No, they're not going to have
No, they're not going to do
The judge
that.
already stepped in.
Yeah.
Not if the judge already stepped in. The judge
Well,
can
the whole
step.
purpose is because he didn't appear. You can bring him before the judge.
Failure to appear. He wasn't in the courtroom when he was supposed to be.
Well, that's
So the
not his
judge
fault,
said,
then.
"Go get him," and that's putting a bench warrant out on him.
Yeah,
Yeah, but the bench warrant literally states that you're supposed to bring him before the magistrate court.
Yep.
Oh, really?
Yeah. If you actually read what
Well, maybe you'll see him the next morning. I don't know.
Well, he doesn't have any power in the courthouse. He has power in that courtroom.
And that's what he failed to understand.
And that's what they all failed to understand.
That's another thing is they didn't even let him attempt to get into the courtroom. They stopped him at the front door,
Yeah.
which is kind of odd to me. Is that why not at least let him try to step into the courtroom with the devices? Why arrest him out even before he even attempts to get into the building at all? It's just absurd. It's strange.
Yeah, it's a public building.
If anything, he's allowed into the common areas.
That's exactly
He might
right.
not be allowed into the restricted areas, but at least the common areas.
At least
where
let the
there's all
man
kind of
inside.
artifacts. He could find a car that might be on auction next week. I saw all that. I saw all the artifacts from 1898.
That's
you could
right.
look at an old, whatever they had on the, behind the little glass window. It's all available for the public.
Well, if you've noticed, now that COVID is here, they've locked all the government buildings down.
Yeah.
They have these little. They have these little.
But you can't go in the government building.
They have these security sheriffs, I call them now, because they're security sheriffs at every door.
I saw
They
a
ring
lady,
you
right?
in and then.
That's cute. Two little barrel cactus. That's so cute. I love those cactuses, guys. I still don't see anybody in these offices, guys. There's like nobody here.
I know, right?
Oh, there's somebody.
We got two people. Yeah, two people. Lady's facing me. She sees this.
She's laughing. Catch up with me.
There's 19 now, sir.
19.
And you can tell it again.
All right, we have an update. We contacted Mrs. Justice, and she said that it was he got a $50,000 cash bond.
Damn. What?
$50,000 cash.
That's unlawful.
At least he got a bail,
Yeah.
but to me it's extreme. I mean,
Yeah.
again,
Overly.
way extreme. I mean, rapists don't even get $50,000
don't get
cash
that.
bond.
Yeah, murder don't even get that.
He's not
So-
Eric Brandt.
Yeah. Again, it shows you exactly what Blind Justice has been dealing with down here. And again, I'm starting to get emotional and tear up because this isn't the America that we veterans fought for, man.
No, it's not.
It is not.
This isn't what's supposed to. This isn't what's supposed to happen in this country, right?
They are spitting in our ancestors' faces.
They refuse to let the man into the courthouse. Didn't even let him in the courthouse. His attorney went in, talked to the judge. Apparently the judge said, well, he's not allowed to wear his assistant equipment on him to fully understand all the proceedings against him. He needs that equipment.
What else he's got to do besides the $50,000 cash bond?
Right, he has to stay at home. Can't move, can't leave, can't do anything. I don't even know if they'll probably put an ankle bracelet on him. Right?
That won't stop him.
So, anything that you could do to help this man, please. Please help him. Because he needs it. He needs all your help. Everybody's help. He needs everybody's help. Again, I'm getting emotional. And not just because an innocent man is being persecuted, but we are all blind justice. We are all living in a system that will step on you in a heartbeat and not think about it. They will do whatever they want to you, whenever they want
It's
to.
kind of funny the officers just talking to them.
They're in the business of ruining lives.
All right.
You know, we're over here recording. Hey, go somewhere else. If you're on the side pavilion, go somewhere else.
We got to do this right here.
I'm sorry. You're not gonna go against our First Amendment rights.
That's all right. Just leave. Just
We're denied. We're live right now.
But I don't want to hit nobody, sir.
Yeah. Go somewhere else. Come back later.
All we got left is this.
Well, it sounds like an issue.
I mean, all we got left is this, sir. Go ahead, finish your job.
He's got plenty of room.
That's all.
He's got plenty of room.
Come over here.
He's got about 1/2 minute. He just
I'm fine,
No, it's done.
I'm good. I'm on your way. Go ahead.
so he's supposed to stay.
I got pants on. Shit. I'm gonna mute it out for a moment.
Why you keep rearing it up?
Good. Because he's a fool.
Fucking tyrants.
We do need to blow off right here, though.
I'll give you something to blow.
Y'all can come back later.
Yeah, if you want to blow, you can blow something else.
Are you an independent contractor?
Yes.
What's your company's name?
It's,
What's your company's name?
I mean,
You're on the time of the people.
If you're getting paid
You're
by
on
the
the time of
government,
the
y'all
people.
can use it up for us
And if you're an
too.
independent contractor, we need to know if you're getting taxpayer from
Y'all
pay
get
for this
paid
job.
off of taxpayers' money
So
because
you
y'all
need to let us know
pay.
what company you work with, so we can understand how we're going to credit you.
Everybody has attitudes today. Everybody in this world has attitudes.
They're all connected. It's a small community.
Just don't understand.
Well, wait for the injection you got to.
Just don't understand.
Hell, they didn't finish their job.
No, they came over here on purpose. They were talking to cops and then they just so happened.
Arrested.
Just keep working hard.
Been arrested. They put the handcuffs on nice and loose, but you know, has handcuffs
Your
on anyhow.
freedom's gonna be taken away.
Been arrested.
She's like me.
I'm sure he's been
I like
booked
her.
already. Got a $50,000 cash bond on him. $50,000 cash bond for a man who wanted to simply wear his assistance devices into a
That he's
courtroom
legally to have.
that he is legally allowed to have to fully understand the charges against him. He can't. He needs this equipment to review after the fact so that he can get a better understanding of what happened in real time.
and the judge's name is Judge Chris Freeman.
Yes.
Chris Freeman.
Judge Chris Freeman.
Yeah, I know. They came over here just to fuck with us.
Later, so if anybody wants
They're
to donate
letting
for
everybody
blind
free. They're
justice,
letting
staring at us.
robbers,
I don't give a
I
fuck.
mean, it's just insane. This whole thing is insane. It's just insane. It's sad.
That's true.
I ain't never seen anything like it in my life.
I have.
yeah, they stripped him naked.
Well,
Because I didn't tell them what my job was.
well, we've all experienced the police, you know, pulling you over and violating your rights, but I've never seen it at this level.
Just-
I've
yeah,
never
this
seen
is
it.
Really
We no
ridiculous.
longer live in a free
I have
country.
never seen it at this level where people, the sheriffs who are responsible, constitutionally responsible to defend you against this sort of thing, they aren't any more now than security guards at the door. Where's their constitutional responsibility to protect us from these kind of rogue government entities? That's what the sheriff is there for, to defend us against government.
Where does the judge?
intrusion.
Well, that sign says it all over there. It says all subjects entering subjected to search. We are subjects. We're not people.
But no, the sheriffs,
Oh, yeah.
the sheriffs are now doormen, and they're arresting an individual trying to get into the courtroom on time, so he isn't held in contempt.
We all should be.
And it
allowed
was
to
a
go
catch-22, is what it was. He's damned if he
just called
did,
somebody,
and he's
by the way.
damned if he didn't.
Where's
People
the
are-